Mustang beside me wants to race. I don't know why. I guess because that'd be an easy win. There he is. Anyway. So, buddy called for some backup. He's taking the headliner out of his truck and gonna put in some sound deadener in the roof. So we gotta peel all the stuff out of it, take the headliner out of it. Wants to put sound deadener in there because he's gonna be putting some 312s in it. A lot of stereo equipment. It's gonna be bumping. Don't want any rattles. You know, sound deadener is a good way to make your vehicle sound, your 30-year-old truck rather, sound very modern and tight, airtight, just quiet inside. Really like it, so heading out that way. Right there is my, I don't know if y'all can see, that's one of my other project trucks. Boy, it's a heap. That's parts. There's Jason's truck. Oh yeah, here we go. Hey Jason, what are you doing today?
Huh?
What are you doing today?
Oh, a lot.
A lot.
We're gonna solve all this.
I don't know if y'all can hear that over this fans, but let's see here. Jason's already took all the headliner down. We missed that part. We got some dynamite looking stuff.
A whole box of it.
Sound deadening mat.
50 mils.
Gonna put that in the roof and then we're gonna do another video and see what it sounds like. He's gonna fill it up with speakers. A lot of boom in the truck. Oh, we got some signal processors in the back. Audio control, that's good stuff. Oh yeah. So how hard was it taking the headliner out?
It wasn't hard at all.
Oh really?
Unclip it from the front and then just drop it down and then you grab the ribs, pull them down and pull them out of the hole.
Okay.
But this one big fat one in the back was a mother.
Oh wow.
That's why I've only done one side of it.
Okay.
Because it was just so tough to deal with. I was afraid I was going to rip it or something.
And it's still attached at the rear window, so you just left it, right?
I just left it, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
But the up here on my roof, you can see
Metal.
You see where the rust is?
Yeah.
That's where this rib was, and it was glued to the roof. But something happened, and it bent this rib. So I'm gonna have to straighten the rib and re-glue it whenever I put it back in.
Oh wow, that sounds so tinny. Alright, so we're going to scrape this stuff off and start putting the dynamite on.
Yeah.
Alright, we've been scraping, and it's hard work. You don't need a gym if you're doing something like this. You get your shoulders pumped. Alright, so we got everything, or I don't know why I'm saying we. He got it cleaned up. Let me try to get this light right. And so we got this dynamite. I'm going to call it dynamite. It's like not dynamite, but it's just what a lot of people call this stuff. Sound deadener, how about we just do that? We don't have a roller.
Yeah.
So we're just going to try to start it and then use a socket to flatten it out really good. Alright, we got one piece up. It's definitely better with two people. Getting all the air bubbles out. Making sure it's nice and flat.
My shoulders are gonna be terrible tomorrow.
We decided to show them that blue thing. It's like a you know, one of them
Clip tools.
clip
Plastic
tools.
clip tool.
Harbor Freight. The
Or
end,
trim tool.
trim tool. The end of it is really good for rolling this stuff on.
Yeah.
If you don't have a roller.
Ready?
Yeah, go. Yeah, that's on there. Sticking really good, and there's already a world of difference. It's gonna sound like a Mercedes. And since it's gonna have a lot of woofers in it and be blasting some bass, this whole front above the windshield has foam seal in it, and did the back as well. So we're almost done, and this
But we can at least get the headliner put back in.
yeah. Yep. Right, so all done. Got the center rib back in. Got all kind of deadening on this. Now we're ready to put the headliner back in, right? I don't know if you could hear it before, but now this some gun super solid. It's just thud, thud, thud. It ain't tick, tick, tick beer can sound. It's very solid. This stuff's amazing. Yeah, I mean, like hollow, deep, real deep. Hope I did that right. I didn't take it out. Alright, we just pulled the carpet out. Gonna get it cleaned. If it don't come out good getting cleaned, we'll just buy some new carpet, Rock Auto. But the good thing about the factory carpet, it's got these little pieces already stapled in. I mean, it's molded. I mean, the other one comes molded, but this one's cut to fit. It's molded. Been in there 30 years. If we can clean it up, it'd be the best ticket. But if it don't come out good, we'll just buy new. But we're gonna send it off. Jason knows a guy. He's gonna make it look like new again, so he says. That's what new looks like. It'll look somewhat new. So what we did today, we took the headliner out, put the Dynamat all in the ceiling, and we're gonna do the floor, but it's too late today to start on that. But while the carpet is out getting cleaned, that may be tomorrow's project or another day. How much of the floor do you think we're gonna do? Just here, all back in the back?
Yeah, we're gonna do the whole back wall, the whole side wall. I'm gonna take those little speaker pods out, and I'm gonna do some of that wall too, see if I can't make it sound more better. And the whole floorboard, as far up to the fire wall as we can get.
All right. Cool. With sound deadener.